those hooks. The mechanic who installed the cutoff already called me, so now I am going to take my 745i and to see what it's like to drive a V8 with a cutoff. It's a BMW with a cutoff valve, so straight pipe and directly V8 sound from the exhaust. I can't wait to see it, so let's go. Let's not waste more time and let's go to see it. Beautiful road in autumn colors. Hello guys, I've just got the car from the mechanic and it's awesome. It already got this remote control, which is the remote control to hell. Yeah, it actually opens the door to hell. You can see here underneath there is a cutoff already, and I'm super excited to show you how this cutoff is sounding. It's brutal. I've been driving for several kilometers and I'm just so excited that I even forgot to film. So finally, when I got my first impression cooled down, I can really show you what it's like with this cutoff. Okay, let's go and drive on these beautiful autumn roads. Let's put the camera inside. First I'll show you how it starts. Okay, now it's closed. Let's start it. Nothing has changed. It's like it was before. So nothing new until now. But see this now. Okay, that's still stock. Let's put this magical on button. Oh, here it immediately changed the noise to some Devil One. Oh, it's so nice. I can sit here and listen to that all fucking day. Oh, beautiful in the wall revs. Listen in the wall revs. Oh, I want to show you the ref limiter. Listen. Oh, so beautiful sound. Yeah, I know you are curious to see what will happen when driving. Of course, let's go guys. Suspension in sport mode, DSC on because it's wet and we don't want to ruin the experience in our first drive. Okay, listen, it's now so beautiful to drive it, not only in the high revs but in the wall. Listen, I'll leave the window open for you to listen, passenger. Okay, and while we are in some village or city, we can turn it off in order not to disturb the people, hospitals and schools and so on. You have to be. I am now a good citizen with 7 Series without making too much noise. And here I will again go back to my beautiful road. Okay, Let's open the valve again. Yeah. And now, listen, listen, listen. Oh. Oh, it's so energizing for the soul. Yeah. Also, it has some charm driving on direct, because on direct the noise is a little bit different, because the car is always on high gear and tries to keep up, and whoa, whoa. This is with closed windows, so that you can get some idea what it is like. It's pretty nice. It's still sporty, but not too much. You can drive it like this, even with open cutoff valve outside the city. Okay, I open the window because it's more sound, it's more V8. Okay, let's go. I'll now put to manual mode. Okay, manual mode engaged. Second gear. On some bumps. Okay, I know your passenger want acceleration for second gear. I know you want it. Let's go! Oh, beautiful sounding V8. guys, I can get a flu here, some coronavirus, but I still will keep my window open because this V8 is so attractive. It's like you are taking drugs. Listen, listen. Yeah. Let's turn on DSC. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, so beautiful. Let's go. So guys, this is my first impression of this cutoff valve. It's really brilliant. It's really a very nice feeling driving this car with this valve installed. So thank you guys for watching that video. In the next videos I'll show you more sound, maybe outside sound, more city driving with cutoff, more extra urban driving. Stay tuned, watch our other videos and stay safe. Bye for now, and I'm going to drive and we'll downshift now. Listen. Yeah. If you want to know more where you can buy this cutoff and where you can install it in my city, you can see down in the description. I'll give you a link. Bye bye.